Create custom events using Wix Code and marketing tools to get a better understanding of how visitors engage with your site. You can create custom events for a variety of actions, like a click-to-call button, social media links, video clicks, and more. In this example, we'll create a tracking event to monitor ebook downloads and show how they're sent to Google Analytics. This process also works with Facebook Pixel and Google Tag Manager. Before you begin, make sure your site is connected to Google Analytics. Go to your website dashboard, click Marketing Tools, then Marketing Integrations. Under Google Analytics, click Go for it. You'll see a green check mark and Connected on the top right. This means Google Analytics is currently tracking a standard set of events on your site. Now you're ready to create custom events to track specific visitor actions. Open your site in the Wix editor. Click Code on the top bar, then turn on Developer Tools. Since this example tracks downloads, you'll need to add a download button. Go to Add, Button, and choose one you like. Add text to your button telling visitors what you want them to do, like download ebook. Then click the link icon and select what you want to link to. In this example, select Document. Then choose your file and click Done. Now open the Code panel at the bottom of the page. This is where you'll add code to monitor downloads. Then enter this line of code to import Wix Window so you can query data from a visitor's browser. Now you'll be able to connect the download button to your code and start sending custom events to Google Analytics. Click on your button. On the right here, your Properties panel will appear. This is where you can work with Wix Code elements on your site. In the panel, change the ID of the button to Download Button. Your button's ID tag will instantly update. You'll use this later in your code. Next, add an on-click event from the Properties panel. Click Plus here. In the Code panel, an event function will appear for your download button. Next, add the Track Event function. Define the event category, event action, and event labels so you can identify visitor actions in Google Analytics. Then, click Save and Publish. Now your website is ready to go. Let's track this event in real time. Go to your live Wix website and click the Download ebook button. In a new window, go to your Google Analytics dashboard. To check that your event was sent, go to Real Time and click Events. From the bottom of the page, you can view all custom events being tracked on your site. The custom event ebook downloads appears under Event category, while visitor actions on your site appear under Event Action. If you're using Facebook Pixel or Google Tag Manager, your data will also be sent there. Now you're all set up. Use these insights to grow your business and get a better understanding of how visitors engage with your site. To learn more about Wix marketing integrations, visit the Marketing Tools and Analytics section in the Wix Help Center. This video is always here, so come back and watch it again for more help.